guys, I'm Barnali and welcome to Barnali'sKitchen.com. Today's recipe is crunchy poha fry. It's a perfect snack for the evening tea. So let's go ahead to make this poha fry recipe. I'm using 1 cup flattened rice, 2 dry red chilli, few curry leaves, peanuts, here 4 to 5 almonds, here 1 pepper, and here I'm using salt according to your taste. First I'm going to break the pepper. Yes, this is perfect. Now I'm going to fry all the items together. In a skillet, I have added 2 spoons of vegetable oil. Now I'm going to add my dry red chilli in the hot oil. Then add curry leaves. Now I'm going to add my peanuts and almonds and the pepper. Just fry them for a few minutes. Yes, my peanuts and almonds are perfectly done and the pepper are perfectly popped up. Now I'm going to add my flattened rice in it and then add pinch of salt according to your taste, and then just fry them for a few minutes. Once the flattened rice are perfectly crisp, then they will be ready. Fry it for 4 to 5 minutes and they will be ready to serve. Yes, this is done. Now I'm going to transfer this from the hot skillet. Turn off the heat. Now transfer this in a plate. Here is our crunchy poha fries ready to serve. You can serve this with tea or coffee, or you can store this in an airtight container and enjoy this poha fry up to a few days. Smelling so nice. This poha is so crunchy and crispy. I hope you guys love this crispy poha fry recipe. Thank you for watching. See you soon in another video. Bye bye. Take care.